Yes, uhoro waho eine adu agai muri okuo wega fiu. Uyu ni murutani Martin, Tisha Martin. Uyoka ni muthire na mbere na kuruta Gikuyu wega. I hope that you have been practicing Gikuyu from wherever you are. Yes, I'm trying my best to keep up sharing some content here and there and all that. And I know that after this, we'll all have learned a lot of things. And I'm still correcting your ideas, what you want us to post, what you want us to concentrate on. So I'll be very grateful to receive your suggestions. Okay. Yes. So there are a lot of content on this channel, and my hope is that you find some in your journey to learn language. Okay. So for today, I'm just going to select one of the lessons that we will go through together, and then I know you'll be good. Okay. Yeah. So in the last one we did several things, and in this one we also do more and more things. So make sure that you like, share, and subscribe so that you can support this work. Also, if you wish to support in other ways, just follow the details that I will share on my channel, and God bless you as you share. So today we know that there have been elections in the US, and recently it was inauguration of President Trump. So my lesson today will be about politics. In Gikuyu, politics is oteti. Oteti. Okay, oteti. Yes, oteti. So I'm going to share a presentation on oteti. We have seen oteti is what? Politics. Okay. Yes, oteti, politics. Politics. Yes, make sure that you have subscribed before even watching this content. Make sure that you leave your comment, like, share with other friends, so that together we can learn the great Gikuyu language. So I'm just sharing this content with you just now. Yes. Okay, very good. Yes, you can see the presentation here. Yes. So we start from there. I'm reading. Nĩ wega mũno nĩ gũcagũra gũthoma Gĩkũyũ. Na niĩ mũrutani Martin. Ũmũthĩ tũkũrora maũndũ megiĩ ũteti. Ũteti nĩ mwega tondũ nĩ ũteithagia bũrũri, makĩria bũrũri wĩ na demokrasia. Maya nĩ mamwe ma marĩa tũgũthoma. Nĩ wega mũno. Thank you so much. Nĩ gũcagũra for choosing gũthoma to learn Gikuyu. Na niĩ mũrutani Martin with me Teacher Martin. Ũmũthĩ today tũkũrora we look maũndũ megiĩ ũteti, things concerning politics. Uteti nĩ mwega, politics is good, tondũ nĩ ũteithagia bũrũri because it helps a country, makĩria bũrũri wĩna demokrasia, more importantly a country with democracy. Maya nĩ mamwe wa gũthoma. These are some of the things we are going to learn. So politics, we have already seen, is uteti, country, bũrũri, politician, muteti, elections, ithurano, democracy, demokrasia, freedom, wĩyathi, leadership, wathani, court, igoti. We go to more examples of some of the vocabularies that we have in politics. Political party, kĩama kĩa ũteti, kĩama kĩa ũteti. Government, thirikari, thirikari, for instance, Kenya government is thirikari ya Kenya. President or a king, muthamaki, for instance, the president of Kenya, muthamaki wa Kenya. Peace, thayũ, peace, thayũ. Corruption, ungumania, ungumania. Development, ũthii wa na mbere, ũthii wa na mbere. Fight, haro, haro. Oppression, ũhahami, ũhahami. Stealing, ũici, ũici. Conversation, mĩario. Support, ũnyitanĩri. High court, igoti inene. Judge, mũcirithania. One who fights for, mũteteri. Member of parliament, mũbunge. Parliament, bunge. So we have some examples here of some of the presidents that we know. The first one is muthamaki wa USA, muthamaki wa China. The other one, muthamaki wa Uganda. So we have some practices here. So try and explain, lead and try to explain what belongs. Trump niwe ũrahotanire ta muthamaki wa USA. Trump niwe ũrahotanire ta muthamaki wa USA. Write in the comment section the meaning of that. Nĩnyendete ũteti. Nĩnyendete ũteti. In the comment section, write the meaning. Muthamaki wa China nĩ mũhinyanĩrĩria. Muthamaki wa China nĩ mũhinyanĩrĩria. Write in the comment section the meaning. Bũrũri wa Kenya nĩ mwega mũno. Bũrũri wa Kenya nĩ mwega mũno. Write the meaning. So read and try to explain what below means. Ungumania nĩ mũũru mũno. Ungumania nĩ mũũru mũno. Ungumania nĩ mũũru mũno. Corruption is too bad. Muthamaki Kibaki arehire ũthii wa na mbere Kenya yothe. Muthamaki Kibaki arehire ũthii wa na mbere Kenya yothe. President Kibaki brought about development in the whole country. Igoti nĩrĩrarekirie ohwo arĩa mararĩ na mahĩtia manini. Igoti nĩrĩrarekirie ohwo arĩa mararĩ na mahĩtia manini. In the comment section, write the meaning. Ithurano cia bũrũri wa Kenya igakorwo 2027. Ithurano cia bũrũri wa Kenya igakorwo mwaka wa 2027. Mũteteri wa ihoto cia ũmũndũ egũkũ. Mũteteri wa ihoto cia ũmũndũ egũkũ. In the comment section, write the meaning. Utongoria wa mahinda maya wina haro nyingĩ. Utongoria wa mahinda maya wina haro nyingĩ. In the comment section, write the meaning. Mũmbunge witũ nĩegũcerete thibitarĩ wa Kenyatta. Mũmbunge witũ nĩegũcerete thibitarĩ wa Kenyatta. Write the meaning in the comment section. Tũrahoya o tu bũrũri ũikare na thayũ. Tũrahoya o tu bũrũri ũikare na thayũ. In the comment section, write the meaning. And on this one, you have my contacts there. That's my email, martinkalari@gmail.com. Yes, you can contact me via the email or via my phone, WhatsApp, message, and etc. 254-718-317-877. I remind you there are one-on-one classes that you can join so that we can have more personalized classes with you. Yes, and those are charged at a low rate so that we can assist you and support this work of learning Kikuyu together. So from there we just wind up, and we will meet in the next. Yes, so may God bless you. Thank you for watching. Remember to leave your comment or the answer. I expect them to be the comment, and also make sure that you have subscribed, like, share, and let others also learn Kikuyu with me. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Bye, 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 bye.